Welcome back. Now, when we add the instant clone voice, you're going to notice that our model changes. We're going to click on this model to make sure we're using the recommended model, and we are. And we're going to leave the default settings as they are. What we're going to do is we're going to click Generate Speech and listen in real time. Mistakes that you may have heard in the first voice may not be present in the voice that you choose. In this case, we're going to evaluate the instant clone voice to determine if it is one that we're going to use. What we're going to do now is we're going to click Generate Speech.
In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement. This methodical approach is crucial in navigating the multifaceted nature of organizational challenges, where issues can span from operational inefficiencies to strategic misalignments. Strategic application of frameworks. One key advantage of using frameworks in consulting is their ability to bring clarity to the strategic planning process. By applying a specific framework, consultants can guide companies to articulate their vision, mission, and strategic objectives in a coherent manner. This clarity is the first step towards achieving meaningful change. Diagnostic capability frameworks also excel as diagnostic tools. They enable consultants to conduct comprehensive assessments of a business's health, examining everything from financial performance and market positioning to internal processes and culture. This thorough analysis helps to uncover the root causes of issues rather than just addressing their symptoms. Case study: turning around a failing business. Consider the case of a retail company struggling with declining sales and high employee turnover. A consultant might employ the SWOT: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats framework to identify internal and external factors impacting the business. This analysis could reveal that the company's main weakness is an outdated inventory system, while an emerging online market presents a significant opportunity. Armed with this insight, the consultant can then develop a targeted strategy to modernize the inventory system and expand into online sales, thereby addressing the core issues.
As you can see, there was a degrading of the voice at the end, just as there was with the professionally cloned voice. Before we move on to an 11 Labs voice, this is where we want to begin working with the controls that we have. We have available to us both stability and similarity. If we go back to our history and we go back to our previous reading and restore the settings, you'll notice then that we still have room in order to try to improve the voice with stability and similarity. And we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.